Hi friends, let us see how a smart student will approach cube root problem with this simple example. Now, this number, which is a perfect cube, ends in 6, and we know that if a cube ends in 6, its cube root will end in 6. So write down that 6 first. Then next step is leave last 3 digits, that is these 3 digits. Now we have to take a number which is less than 4 and a perfect cube, and we all know that there is only one number which is less than 4 and a perfect cube, that is 1 cube. 1 cube is nothing but 1, and cube root of 1 is 1. So the cube root of 4096 is nothing but 16. Now as we know the method, let us see some more examples. Here this number 17576 ends in 6 and it is a perfect cube. So we know that if a number ends in 6 or if a cube ends in 6, its cube root will end in 6. So write down 6 first, then leave these last 3 digits. Now tell me a number which is less than 17 and a perfect cube. We know that 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So we have to take a number which is less than 17 and a perfect cube. 8 is a number which is a perfect cube and less than 17, and cube root of 8 is 2. So write the 2 here. So the cube root of 17576 is 26. Now let us see some more examples to understand this method even better. Here in this first example, this is a perfect cube and it ends in 8, and we all know that if a cube ends in 8, then its cube root will end in 2. So write 2 first and then leave last 3 digits. Now tell me a number which is less than 32 and a perfect cube. We know that 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. So we have to take number less than 32 and a perfect cube, and we know that a number which is less than 32 is 27 and its cube root is 3. So the cube root of 32768 is 32. Now let us see this example. Here this is a perfect cube and this number ends in 1, and we know that if a number or a cube ends in 1, its cube root will end in 1. So write that one first, then forget about these last 3 digits. Now tell me a number which is less than 68 and a perfect cube, and we all know that 64 is the number which is less than 68 and a perfect cube, and we know cube root of 64 is 4. So the cube root of 68921 is 41. Now let us see this example. Here this is a perfect cube and this number ends in 7. So we know that if a number or a cube ends in 7, its cube root will end in 3. So write down the 3 first, then forget about these 3 digits. Now we have to take a number which is less than 389 and a perfect cube. Now tell me, what is 5 cube? It is 125. What is 6 cube? It is 216. What is 7 cube? It is 343. What is 8 cube? It is 512. But it has crossed 389. So we have to take a number which is less than 389, and we know that a number which is less than 389 is 343 and its cube root is 7. So the cube root of 389017 is 73.